Okay, so these are the 5 steps under organic matter converted into humus, and these are the colors, pigmented polymers of these humic substances. ठीक है. Now next topic जो हमारे लिए important है, there are two major terms that you need to understand. One is the mineralization and two is the immobilization and the impact of carbon nitrogen ratio on this. Okay, now when we talk about mineralization, it is the decomposition. So जो अभी हो रहा है, that organic matter conversion into humus, that is mineralization part only. So here oxidation of the chemical compounds in organic matter happens, by which the nutrients in those compounds are released in soluble inorganic form. Simpler terms, organic nitrogen is being converted into inorganic nitrogen, thereby making it available to the plants. So this organic nitrogen is actually the unavailable form of nitrogen. Though it is present, it's not available to the plants. On the other hand, this is available to the plants. So that in जो भी unavailable nitrogen को conversion जो कर रहा है, that is mineralization. It increases the bioavailability of the nutrients that were in the decomposing organic compounds. Simple. इसका बिल्कुल उल्टा, मतलब opposite reaction है immobilization. Now here the inorganic nitrogen is being converted into organic compounds by microorganisms and or plants, whatever, and it is prevented from being accessible to the plants. It is opposite to mineralization. Now why this happens? Because of CN ratio. Now what is CN ratio? Carbon nitrogen ratio. Now can anyone tell me what is the CN ratio, or what does I mean when we talk about carbon nitrogen here? The forms, if you have any idea, anyone who wants to add? In what form you'll find carbon? In what form you'll find nitrogen when we talk about organic matter? And we talk about this mineralization, immobilization. Any idea, anyone? See, when we talk about carbon here, it is all brown material, that is the dried twigs, dead animals or dried leaves, everything that is brown in color. You can say that it is rich in carbon. Okay. Nitrogen, whatever the green material, that is the fresh leaves, okay, fresh some weeds or anything green, that would be rich in nitrogen. So only when this ratio is proper, okay, there's a particular ratio that is 30:1, then the decomposition would be the best.